Hi everyone. So now we are going to study about structure in a C sharp. So as we can implement the structures also in a C sharp, a structure is of type value in a C sharp. For this purpose, we'll create one project. So this guy, just a console application of the name of a structure. A structure is a value type in a C sharp. It's not a class type. So we doesn't need any class to implement the structure in a C sharp. So just we will define a structure using the keyword struct with the name of a student and with the variables of the data members, integer, roll number, and the marks. Then a name of the student, and we can take one more data member as a division or character. So these are the data members of a structure. So also in a C sharp we can include the methods inside a structure also. It works the same as a class, but it's a value type variable. It's not a reference type. In a C sharp, structures are of type value in a C sharp. So we can add the methods inside a structure also. So which is not possible to add the methods in a structure in a C. So the drawback of a C programming is recovered in a structure. So we can add the method. So we will take one method of public void as a get data to accept the value from a keyboard. So we will display one message over here, console.writeLine, enter the details of student, and then first we will accept the roll number of a student. So integer dot parse because is of type, and again console dot read line methods. It will read a line of text and will be converted into string integer. So then we'll accept the name of the student. Name is equal to console dot read line. Again we'll accept the division. So division is equal to char dot parse, again console dot read line, and at last we'll accept the marks is equal to integer dot parse console dot read line method. So this is how we're accepting the value from a keyboard: roll number, name, division, and marks. Then we'll take one more method inside a structure only with the return type void to display the information. So we'll display the information of a student, name as the first argument, take it, then to the new line, to the new line, roll number as argument 1, then new line, division, argument number 2, again to the new line, marks, argument number 3. So now our code will complete, comma, name, comma, roll number, comma, division, comma, marks. So this is how we are displaying the information. So this is the second method. So inside a structure only we will take a main method. Now we will create the object for a structure as a student s is equal to new student. So using the object s dot we will call to get data method, then s dot display method, and again console dot read key. So we'll so two opens. So this is the closing of the structure. So we'll save it and we'll try to execute it. After executing, you can see we can execute a program. So we have to enter the details of the student. First roll number I will enter as a 1, then name as a CSE, the division as a and the marks as a 5 plus 456. So here input string was not in correct format. So we have an error that we have missed that curly bracket over here. So it's showing that error. So just okay. So we'll save it. Again we'll try to execute it. Then now enter the details of the student. Again first roll number, then name. So I will enter it as a CSE, then division as a and the marks as a 456. So you can see it's showing all the details. So we can implement the structure. This is how we can implement the structures in a C sharp.